When you run an online business, work with clients, or create content every day, the task can become repetitive and time consuming. You might find yourself doing the same things again and again, like moving data between apps, sending follow ups, or creating notification or updating spreadsheets. This is where automation tools become lifesavers. They help you to connect different apps and make them work together without manual effort. But there are many options, and three of the most popular ones today are Zapier, Make.com, and n8n. In this video, we are going to compare these three tools, Zapier, Make, and the n8n, and explore what makes each one unique and which one might be best for your needs. Automation tools help you to save time, reduce mistakes, and focus more on tasks that matter. Instead of copying and pasting information between tools, automation platforms do it for you instantly and correctly. The way your business becomes more efficient and less stressful. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you choose the right tools without any confusion. Today, we are comparing three powerful automation tools so you understand their strength, limitations, and ideal use cases. If you want to explore any of these platforms or get special offers, check the link from description below. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description, because by using that link, any available discount or a special offer will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, let's talk about the Zapier. Zapier is one of the most well-known automation platforms, especially for beginners and small businesses. It has a very user-friendly interface that lets you connect different apps using simple templates. In Zapier automations, they called Zaps, and each Zap consists of a trigger and one or more action. For example, when someone fills out a form on your website, Zapier can automatically send their information to your email tools or a spreadsheet. This happens automatically without any coding. Everything works through a visual interface. This simplicity makes Zapier a great choice if you are just starting with automation or you do not want any complicated setup. Zapier has a large library of app communication, which means you can automate apps you already use like email marketing tool, project management tools, like social media platform, and many more. Now let's talk about the Make. It also lets you automate the task between apps, but it focuses more on flexible workflows and visual logic. Instead of simple one-step automations, Make allows you to build more complex sequences. You can add conditions, loops, filters, and branches that change how each step works. This gives you more control when your automation needs are more advanced. For example, Make can take different actions depending on the data it receives, or loop through a list of the items and process each one by one. Make's visual builder shows a flow map on a screen, making it easier to see how each step connects, especially when the workflow is long or complicated. Many users find Make is powerful for building multi-step process that Zapier cannot handle easily. So after that, we have the n8n. n8n is an automation tool that is open source, meaning the software is free and you can host it yourself if you want. Like Make and the Zapier, n8n lets you create workflows with triggers and actions, but it gives you even more control over how the data moves between services. Because it is open source, n8n is popular with developers and technically minded users who want full flexibility, custom integrations, or advanced logic. You can build complex automations similar to Make, but you also have the freedom to adapt or modify the workflows at a deeper level. Some people use n8n on their own server, so they own all the automation data, which can be important for privacy-focused businesses. But n8n does have a steeper learning curve. Basically, if you are new to the automation, because it expects a bit more technical understanding compared to Zapier or Make. One key difference between these three is ease of use. Zapier is usually the easiest for the beginner because its interface is simple and you can get started quickly with pre-built templates. Make is slightly more advanced but is still visual and intuitive once you learn the basics. But n8n that gives you most flexibility, but it may require more technical setup, especially if you host it yourself. Another important difference is the pricing. Zapier and the make.com, they usually work on subscription plans where you pay based on the number of automation tasks you run each month. n8n on the other hand, when it is self-hosted, that can be free. But if you choose their hosted version or need advanced enterprise feature, cost may apply. This makes n8n potentially the most cost-effective option for people who want total control and are comfortable managing software, while Zapier and the make.com is better if you want fully managed solution with support. So that's it basically for today's video. I hope this video is helpful for you to understand the Zapier, Make and n8n in a simple way. And if you found this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe the Easy Access Tech for more videos like this. Check the description for the links to these automation tools with any available offers. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.